We finished our clown. We got him all painted up. Mouth's working good. We put the back on, and we got the back with 2 screws, so if you ever have to get to the inside, all you gotta do is unscrew that. Take the wig off and unscrew it. So we're gonna put a clown wig on him. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. So if you ever have to get on the inside, you just pop these staples out. And unscrew the back of the head. That way you can get inside. Just need to comb that out a little bit. Get this attached down on the bottom. Centered here. So we'll comb this out, put a couple staples here on the side, then we'll put the body together. We have our hands for him, and we're going to make him barefoot, so we decorated his feet also. So we'll get him put together and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.